Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming on here real quick just to do a little unboxing and review of this beautiful ombre paper. And I got this ombre paper from BLEDS, and I reached out to me, asked if I would be willing to do a review of some of her beautiful pattern paper, and I said yes. So let's open this up together. Take a quick look at what these papers look like. So I chose this ombre 6x6 paper pad because I thought these would make beautiful backgrounds that look like alcohol ink backgrounds without me having to actually do alcohol ink blending. So let's take a look. This paper pack has 12 different designs and 2 sheets of each. And this pattern paper is single-sided. So let's just take a quick glance at these papers and look how pretty. I love this little gold veining detail in here. And pinks and purples are just my thing. I think those are my 2 favorite colors and my favorite color combination. So we get 2 of that sheet, and as I mentioned, it is single-sided. This one's beautiful. Look at that rainbow of colors. I love this teal added in here. Just beautiful. Now this paper isn't a super thick cardstock. It's a little bit thicker than copy paper, but thinner than our standard pattern paper cardstock. But I think it's a good weight anyway to use as your background panel. And then look at these blues. Now all of these have this gold little veining detail and splatter detail on them, which I think is just beautiful. Oh, look how pretty. Beautiful rainbow of colors. And again, I don't think I could achieve this look on my own using my alcohol inks. I don't practice enough using them, but this would be a quick and easy way to get that look. Look at those blues without having to have alcohol inks in your stash. So pretty, so very pretty. Look at this one of these deep blues. Oh, I like this like for a night sky background. Just beautiful. And this one has like, it's a, I want to say a dark, a deep green. Very pretty as well. And I'm thinking, oh, these are so pretty. I'm thinking I might use these. Look at this earth tone, these browns, on my next batch of cards for Kendra's Card Challenge number 10. So keep an eye out for that video. I'm going to use these, I think. They're just so pretty. And again, these are non-directional, so you can use them on card sketches very easily. Oh, such a pretty blue. So I've gone ahead and laid these out so you can take a look at all the different designs all at once. And I think they're just beautiful. Now these top 6 are more of your bright rainbow colors, and then these bottom 6 are the deeper tones. So your blues, grays, greens, browns. I think they're just beautiful. Now, I'll be sure to link in the description box below where you can buy this beautiful pattern paper. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.